Hey, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A23 and today I would like to show you how you can use pop-up view on this device. First of all, open one of your apps like Play Store and click on this button with 3 lines. Then you need to click on the icon of your app, select Open in pop-up view and use it in this little window. If you wish to move it around, hold this blue line and drag it. Then, in order to make it smaller, click on Home button. And in order to use it to overlay the other apps, tap on both. Now you can also close your app by clicking on this bubble and choosing Remove section, or doing the same with the window. You can also just simply swipe your app in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!